Guys, what I got going on is we had a cam put in the truck. That's why you haven't seen it. It got a high performance cam in there. These guys are warning some high performance exhaust straight out the back. It's your boy back with a video. So I finally got in touch with the bike winner from Easter. So what I'm gonna do today, I told him I was gonna bring him the bike tomorrow and do all that, but we're gonna take care of little man tonight. I got on the phone, you can hear how the change of his voice sound like he was sad or whatever. So I'm getting ready to put the new tires on the bike. And I gotta tell you guys about that. So we went to This Is It, which is a local store. And I go to the register and I'm ready to get the tires and the 2 inner tubes. Well, somebody was in line and they asked me, like, what are you gonna do with these tires? What are you doing? Fixing your son's bike? I'm like, no, actually, we giving the bike away and we want to make sure the little guy, you know what I'm saying, he has some new tires on his bike. So, believe it or not, guys, the person that was in line paid for the tires and the inner tube for the little boy's bike. It's crazy how stuff work out, but I'm gonna spin this camera around and I'm gonna let you guys watch me. I'm gonna put the new tires on the bike. We're gonna put the new inner tubes on the bike, and I'm gonna take you along to deliver the bike to the little boy. And y'all stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. Peace. All right, guys, we're gonna get this bike going for little dude. The winner of the bike. We're gonna make it happen for him. And like I said, we're gonna get him his bike today. As soon as I find me a ratchet. Alright. We're gonna start with the front tire first. Y'all excuse the little, I'm trying to get y'all as best as I can. I don't have Junior here with me to help me with the camera. The tires are good on the bike, guys, but they did have some wear, the bike is brand new, but the tire, or the bike looks brand new. It still got tags and stuff on it, but the tires are worn down. Tires are definitely worn down. Now let's see, I have my little special plastic tubing that came with the other. Take this off.
Making another video, Daddy.
We are. We making a video taking the tire off, giving the guy. Y'all see it? We got the tire off.
We got the boy in building. Yes, sir.
We're gonna put the new one on. Hopefully I got the right size and it look like I did.
You see, guys? He's putting the tire on. Yes, sir. Doing it. Yes.
All right. We're gonna do them white on white, y'all.
Daddy said, what we don't talk about? Say, what we don't talk about?
We don't talk about Bruno.
Oh.
Here, do me a favor, dude.
Okay.
Throw this in the garbage for Daddy.
Okay.
we're gonna put a little air in this here inner tube. And I think I'm going to need extension cord. Y'all excuse the little noise. I'm gonna put a little air in the inner tube. We're gonna just put a little air in there to make it a little easier for me, so it don't have a whop in there. Bike getting switches, we don't want that. Make sure it is. So he got white on white. He got white on white. Looks pretty good there. We're gonna make sure it's all good. Y'all see it? Get a little man together today. Make sure our watches is lined up. Turn this off. We can turn that off. No, y'all don't want to hear that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So y'all see we got the new one on. Next, we got to do the back tire. That white on white is doing a little something. You can't ride a bike yet. You got your bike. We can have to learn you how to ride it. Okay.
I'm testing this.
We're gonna raise the seat up so we can get more. Okay, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna need a Phillips screwdriver. And I think I have something. Let's see. Got tools everywhere. Here we go. Get little man right. Let's get little man right.
We're getting the little man a spin. A spin.
Let's get little man right. I know I have a Phillips screwdriver somewhere. Been doing so much work, haven't had time to put everything where it goes. So y'all bear with me. Yeah, I think it's gonna be an 8. Okay, let's do this. We have a winner.
We have a winner. It's the little man. Whoa. Let's give little man a spin, Daddy. Little man loves spins. I'll give him a little spin. Maybe little man can be my friend, Daddy.
Yeah, he will. When we go get him this bike, I'm pretty sure he gonna try to kick it with you and be your friend. Okay, there we go. Now we got action. It was just a little seized up.
Yeah.
So this bike got coaster brakes, which means you gotta be careful, buddy. Daddy, don't spin it. Let Daddy do this first, okay? Go get your Paw Patrol toy. Let Daddy do this. Okay, so now we gotta take the back off. So this has coaster brakes, which means that when you when you hit the let me see, I got an impact. We're gonna use that again. Dude, why are you throwing your new toy? That's your new toy that you just got and you're throwing it on the floor. Okay, so we got that one loose. Alright, look like we are winning. Go ahead and slide that chain off. Just like that.
The other rubber was gone when it
And where
just had
is
it.
my little tool, which is here. Let's get little man right real quick. Real quick.
Daddy,
Yes.
what are you doing?
We're going to get the little guy bike together so we can take it to him today.
Oh!
Okay.
What,
We got that off.
who puts you in?
Also, guys, I know you guys know how to do bikes. Probably remember as a kid. But you also want to make sure this rubber is in there correctly. If this rubber is not in there correctly, you can also cheat. This is not nothing but a piece of rubber. You can get your old piece of inner tube and sit it in there. Works the same. So let me get the new tire. I'm going to sit that right there. We're going to put the new tire on. We're going to put the new tire on. New tire on. We got the new tire on. And let me grab the inner tube. Oop, can you do that one more favor? Yeah, throw this in the garbage for Daddy.
Okay.
Get that up too. Put that a little bit in. And get that plastic right there for Daddy right there.
This?
No, the plastic. That's it. This. And put that And we're going to put a little air in this one. Let's take our valve core off. Valve core cap. See if I still got a little bit of pressure. And we don't. Take a little bit out. Take a little bit out. And let's get the new infill in there, guys. Watson. So y'all see the new tire installed? Alright, so we got the new tire installed. We got the coaster brake needs to aim this way to mount it back on the bike. So you want to put the chain tire on like so. You might have to take it off. And then put it on. Put it on there. Get that in there. We got our coaster brake set up. Always just get the coaster brake started. I do not tighten it up all the way. And
Okay.
wait.
I'm on here for you, Dad.
Wait a minute. Okay, Daddy got the wrong one.
It's the wrong way.
Yeah. So we need to put it on here first.
Okay.
We need to put it on here. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Okay. Wait, I just had it. Okay. Now we got action. Alright, there we go, y'all. So now, I just need to tighten them down. Tighten them down. Okay, we got the chain tight. Yep, don't want the chain too tight.
Let's give little Mel another spin.
And it looks like we are officially done. It looks like we are officially done, guys. You see that? He got brakes. So this one was bad. This inner tube was good. So what we're going to do is we're going to give him an extra inner tube because this is a good one. Dude, we also we'll give him another set of tires too. He can have those here. Take that.
Put that in garbage
And,
can?
and the garbage can. Yes, sir.
This looks dirty.
I know. Okay, so we got the bike done. I can put my tools up. And we are going to give little man a call. Me and Duke. All right, guys. So we got the bike, the new tires on the bike, everything set up. So now we're going to give the little man a call and let's deliver his bike. I'm gonna flip it around so y'all can see now. Let me put the kickstand on it. Y'all hold on, I'm gonna spin this camera around. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and y'all stay tuned. So you see, guys, we got them some fresh new white tires on it, matching the white and red on the bike. You dig? You see them? So we finna go ahead and give little man a call so he can get his bike. So we're gonna give him the old 2 tires, which is still good. I just wanted him to have some fresh meat on there. And he has one good inner tube just in case he ever catches a flat. He got an extra one where his parents don't have to buy him one. He got one already ready that he can use. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna get little man a call and we're gonna see if we can go ahead and get this thing delivered. Y'all stay tuned. So I got in touch with or I didn't get in touch with him. I had to call somebody. I've been trying to get in touch with this guy. Had to call like 9 people to get in touch with him. Well, anyway, I called the person I know to deliver the message. And the little guy, I was gonna take it to his grandmother's house, but he was like, don't take it because somebody else might be riding his bike. So his dad said, I thought you was gonna bring it tomorrow. So he has something to do. So you guys stay tuned. We're gonna carry over the video till tomorrow and we're gonna drop the bike off to the little guy tomorrow. It's all put together. I don't have to do anything. So if they call me 8 o'clock in the morning, whatever, I'm gonna take them the bike. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Peace. Y'all, it's your boy back with another video down here hollering at my people once again, my friend. Y'all know where we at. King Muffler. Fantastic lounge area in here. Very nice. Look, you see this, guys? A lot of shops don't have this. You can't even sit in their waiting room. All right, y'all, we back with a video. I just got the number from the little boy who won the bike. Little boy don't get out of school till 3:30, but he's not going to be able to go home. He got to go to his granny house. So we on our way right now to take the bike to his daddy so he can have it when he get home from school or whenever he get home. And also today is real cool. I'm hanging out with my baby sister. We in here like we little kids watching cartoons. I'm gonna get her on the channel too. Before we close out this video, y'all stay tuned and like, share, subscribe. We're on the way to drop this bike out. Y'all stay tuned. We back with a video. So we're a couple minutes away. We delivering the little boy bike to him. He's not here. And hopefully when he get out of school, he gonna be real happy. So make y'all stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. Peace. We got the bike right here. We got some extra tires for him. Man, it's you. Oh man. Hey, so I've been trying to catch. I was like, man, this dude must be like the president or something, man. I can't get in touch with him. Yeah, man, so he got some new tires. I put some new tires on there for him. He got new inner tubes. These are the old tires, so if he ever has some issues, and he got a fresh new inner tube in this one. Little man deserved it, man. He was out there.
Appreciate it, man.
No, it's all good. he was the only one that had the egg in the thing, man. He couldn't win the first bike, and he was hot. He was like, I gotta win something. He came back and won the bike, man. Yeah, man. Tell him to keep up the good grades and all that, man.
All right.
Yes, sir. Yep. Y'all see, you end up knowing the dude.
Let's go home.
I ain't good with people's names, but I remember faces.
Me.
Y'all stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. You got Duke in the back. We're gonna have to buckle him in because we got my sister in the building too. You know what I'm saying? She in the building. We finna go get her something to eat. She hungry. And we're gonna keep it posted, keep it going. We're gonna drop this video today. And y'all stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. Peace.